This process is called chopping. This is called slicing. This is called mincing. This is called shelling. This is called whisking. This is called kneading. This is called simmering. This is called steaming. This is called marinating. This is called grating. This is called stirring. This is called squeezing. This is called sprinkling. This is called drizzling. This is called pouring. This is called scraping. This is called splashing. This action is called stacking. This action is called organizing. This action is called arranging. This action is called tidying. This action is called sorting. This action is called packing. This action is called labeling. This action is called filing. This action is called grouping. This action is called aligning. This action is called storing. This action is called decluttering.